Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to fix page isn't available right now error in Thread. So let's say you are getting this error, and to solve it what you can do is simply head over to your Threads app, press and hold on that, and after that you will get this option of app info. Head over to there and you're going to be force stopping your application, and once you do you're going to be heading over to storage and cache. In here you're going to be clearing the storage, and once you do, make sure you clear storage and clear cache as well. And now when you open your app again, you should be able to use it perfectly. So that's a pretty simple process on how you can do so. So I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.